Hello, my name is Stuart Bull. I was the friend who if you have seen Super Sprint on Skate 3, I'm his friend. And if you have a Nerf gun like this, it's called the Night Finder. And you also have a dog. This is one of the best things to do with it. But just make sure your mum and dad aren't around, otherwise they're probably going to get annoyed. Okay, so here we go. Dun dun dun. You gotta watch this reaction you watch this, boom. Okay, so that's one of the funnest things to do with your dog. This area is small, so I wasn't really able to do much stuff. So yeah, anyway, if you get to see more Skate 3 things from my other friend Jack, the guy who spoke in Super Sprint on Skate 3, me and him might start a new show called Skate 3 Wimp, something like that. So, yeah, we're gonna do all these challenges and it's gonna be fun. But depends if we do it. Alright, thanks for watching this. I hope you have enjoyed it. And also, compliment if you like this and do this with your dog. It's really fun and really funny. I'm not laughing now because I've done this a million times. Alright, thanks for watching.